Hey boys, what's up? What you got there?
Hot Wheels.
The table is filled up with what? Dinosaurs and monster carts?
What?
Monster trucks?
We invited the dinosaurs.
Whoa, that's
Can we
awesome.
take it out?
So what do you got in the, what's the new one there? You got a new one? Oh, what is that one? It's 9 of 10. Wow, let's see what it is. Turn it around. It's a
What's
power rocket. You build your own Hot Wheels. ID, okay. What is
Muscle
that?
car.
That's awesome. That is, what's the name of that one? Let me see.
Muscle car.
No, but let me see the name of it. Oh, let's see. That is
What is
Roger
this?
Dodger, Muscle Mania.
What's this?
Dodger.
Did he say a muscle car? Did he say that? A monster car. Did you say monster car or muscle car?
What's muscle car?
Muscle car?
Yeah.
You're right. I'm sorry. And that's 7 of 10.
Oh, yeah, boys and girls, see? We have
Roger
words
Dodger.
on the bottom.
The car.
Have words on the bottom. See?
Wow.
Down on the bottom right here.
Words where? Oh yeah, that's the name of the car. Let me
Right
see.
there.
Yeah. Let me see. Lift it up.
I can fit
Hold
Down
it.
there.
Tilt it up. Tilt it up. Right. Okay. Let's see. That
There.
is a power rocket. That's what. That's the name of the car. Power rocket.
Because it has these.
Yeah, boosters. Yeah, that means it can go really
Don't rip it open.
fast.
Don't rip it open.
Yeah, you can slightly tear it open, but we got a lot of collection on the cars. There's old ones, there's new ones,
Can
there's
we take
retros.
the top off?
Oops, sorry, excuse me.
Can we take the
Yeah,
top off?
let me help you.
It was easy to open.
You open it right here, buddy. Right there. There you go. Here, just there you go.
So you just pick it out the package like
Yeah,
this.
you can hold it and you can save the package. It has a special code back there where you can look at how shiny. Look at that shiny car. Slow it down. You gotta let everybody see. Slow it down.
Look at my boys and girls.
Turn it around too. Look at that. Let's see. Put yours in the middle over here, Jay. You go over there. Where Jay is. Wow.
Whoa, this is a lot.
No, just walk off your seat. Get out of your seat. Stand over there. That's too close. I can't see. Look at how shiny that thing.
Hey, boys and girls, look.
Look how shiny
This
that is.
one just looks like that one. That one just looks like this one.
Which one? Let's see. The monster truck.
This one.
That's a monster truck. Look at that car. That's crazy. Look
They're
at that.
on the
It's on top
cars.
of the cars. It's smashing. Let's
So
check
many
yours
people.
out, Jay.
Oh,
Gee.
hey, boys.
Whoa, look at that. Okay. Double. That's a double. And you know that goes fast. Look
Boys
at the
and
engine
girls,
in that.
yesterday this was
Dual
our
engine.
yesterday this was our new car. Yesterday this was the new car.
Look at that shiny. Look at this car.
See, that was yesterday that we got that. That
How
was
fast you think that can go? Look at. So who invited the monster trucks?
we did.
They're sitting on top of the other cars. Is that fair?
No.
Oh my goodness.
And a dinosaur
Sitting on the
here.
ambulance. And dinosaurs? Who did that? Dinosaurs and Hot Wheels don't go together. This dinosaur has. You gotta be kidding me.
This dinosaur has a car in his mouth.
Oh. My. So we have some old ones and some new ones. But look at that one. That really stands out. You see how the new one stands out from the other one? We pull them in. We pick them up. We jump them.
We have
push
them.
them.
We have new cars.
Yes, new cars, but they're old cars. They're like old cars. But look how Hot Wheels stays a Hot Wheel.
This
See,
one
this
is my
Hot
favorite.
Wheels.
This one. Oh, yeah, that one.
See, look at this one.
Why is that?
This is Hot Wheels.
Okay.
It's like a Triceratops. I don't know.
Triceratops?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look
that
at
one.
mine.
It's an old school one.
Look at this. Look at
that
this
one over
engine.
there, Jay.
This one?
Yeah, look at that one, guys. We bring them in. I don't care what condition they're in. We bring them in. No wheels, Hot Wheels, sub wheels, four
We
wheels,
can drive.
3 wheels, 1 seat, 2 seat, 4 seats. No roof, some roofs. We bring them all in, guys. It doesn't matter. Brand new, used. What do you got, G? Look at that. Let's show that one off. Wow, look at that. Is this a Hot Wheel ID? I don't think it might be. You can race them as you code them in.
Look at this one. This is a dinosaur.
That's not, yeah, that is. It's like a Hummer. Boats, trucks, cars. You name it, we got it all. But the monster trucks is stealing the show. So what you have there? What's the green one? That's like they're like a Mopar.
This one?
Mopar. Yeah, let's get that green one. Show it. Turn it around. Let's see.
See this one.
It's moving.
That's practically new, guys, isn't it?
No.
It's not. You had this before? You had this a while?
I have from Mama Anna.
Oh, you did? Is this even a Hot Wheel? It doesn't look like.
Boys
Oh, we
and
have an
girls,
imposter.
I gotta go to sleep. I gotta go Mama Anna.
I don't see the flames, and it doesn't feel like a Hot Wheel. Who snuck this in? Let me see. Is this a Hot Wheel, guys? We have an imposter. Feed it to the dinosaur.
Feed it to the
Feed
dinosaur.
it to the dinosaur. Here. Eat it.
Eat it.
Eat it.
Eat it.
That's not a Hot Wheel.
Eat it.
Put it in his mouth.
Yeah, it's gonna be grilled.
That's okay. Who's the imposter here? I thought that was a Hot Wheel. It's shiny and it looks brand new. That's not a Hot Wheel. So every now and then we get some cars mixed up. We gotta throw them out because they're not Hot Wheels. This is a Hot Wheel. It's not the same without the...
Flame.
Yeah, not the same
It's not
without
the
flame.
flame one with the flame.
It's not the same without the flame. So you
It's not
gotta
the
make sure
same
you
without
keep the cars, you keep the
flame.
Matchbox and
Guess
Hot
what?
Wheels away from each other.
This is a train
Well,
track.
you
If
can
you
play with
flip it over, it makes a car track.
Oh, cool. Well, we can play with that. We can play with the Matchbox and the Hot Wheels, I guess. But we're playing on Hot Wheels.
Look at this
Oh,
one right there.
look at that. That's nice.
Look at
So
this
some,
one.
I know we don't have a lot. Some of them don't have wheels. And so we just bring them in. We haul them in. Like I said before,
Look at
some of
this.
these are retro. We have a lot of older ones. But we still have to find them.
Look at this monster
They're
truck.
here. We still
It
have
can do
some
backflips.
down there. So that's not even...
Boys and girls,
You couldn't even... The table is not
Beep,
even...
beep,
fit.
beep, beep.
Look, see?
Beep,
It's
beep.
Got a coaster.
Oh, wow.
Coaster.
Okay.
A coaster.
I want a coaster over here.
Good.
A coaster.
Wow. So, yeah, we like to shine them
This
up
was
and
your
show them
car.
off.
Right here.
The monster trucks. Let's see the monster trucks. The monster trucks are
Hey, get back.
Okay.
okay.
Here goes the monster truck.
There's one right there. What's that one?
Fire
see.
flame.
Oh, that's fire flame.
Yeah.
And look at my just cold.
Cold.
Local.
Cold what?
What's that one? Oh, that's the cold one? That's the Hot Wheel. Look at that one, guys. Look at the big wheels. You can run over all these small cars and crush it. We don't crush it. They're just trying to show their dominance. The dominance. We got this one here. What's that one? Stay with us. What are you speaking out for? You trying to get more cars?
Yeah, I'm trying to get some play sets.
You want play sets? You want to get play sets? There you go, get play sets.
Okay.
Well, I'll just entertain myself with the Hot Wheels. VMG.
That's the fun.
Okay. Oh, look at this one here. That's a nice one. It looks like a futuristic. All of them are futuristic, but this one looks like a rocket ship. Actually, you know what this is, guys? It looks like a bottle of Mountain Dew.
Hey, boys and girls, this is our new toy, the Super Spin Dealership.
Ooh, that's
You
nice.
can park cars in it.
Yeah.
This is the blaster that you can park cars.
Yeah.
You push this, and then the car goes in.
Well, why don't you show us how to do it? Let's take turns. All right, we like taking turns. Doesn't that look like a bottle of soda or shampoo?
I think you can like open a bottle can, like so.
Oh, the
You
bottle
can turn
opener.
it. See?
Duh.
You can rest it. See? Watch this.
Go ahead, I'm watching. Oh, I didn't make it.
See, it blasts out like this. See, watch. Boys and girls, look. See? Look.
Uh-oh.
But I didn't know. It can turn.
Is this a Hot Wheel? That is a Hot Wheel. Wow. That's a soda can
This is
opener?
a bus. This
A
is
bottle opener?
oh, this is a plane car. Like
I
to
think
pick up
it's an
packages.
imposter.
Packages. Where? This one?
I got.
We don't
I
wanna
go
know.
get some more places.
You didn't show us how to use the Hot Wheels City what? Garage?
Spin dealership.
Super Spin Dealership.
Super spin dealership.
Train.
So this is the super spin dealership. I don't want to do the boosted because maybe this will be too fast.
Go ahead, chill.
Train track.
So the cars, you can spin this and say if you want a car, so you can put the car down, open this, and then the car goes out. Then it turns, and the car can come out down here.
Okay. That's good. That's okay. You want to try your car, Gray? Huh?
That train can't fit.
Now you want to try your car? Try your car.
What's
And
my
get your
car?
car
In
mixed
here.
up. You ought to get all mixed up.
Here you go.
Wow, so it has 4 levels. Where's the 4 levels? I see 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 4, 3, 2, 1. That's good. What are you doing down here? Don't get your car stuck. Why is it as a super spin dealership?
Because
So it's like
spin.
Carvana.
Carvana, yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's like about to
So you pick and choose
See?
your car.
Watch this, boys and girls.
What's that?
The blaster, it can go up, it can do up,
Look at this
to
one.
4.
Oh, that you can?
Look what this one,
To
see?
3.
This
Wow,
one can open his
okay.
mouth. When
To three?
look, see? When you look, see the mouth? Look, they're open.
Ooh. Look at that. Is that a Hot Wheel?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Looking like a tow truck or something. Tow truck. Look at that. Just an anybody.
See, watch this.
All cars have names. I know one.
See, watch this.
I
Go
know.
ahead, I'm looking. Oh, good job.
Girls, I know one. See this one?
Awesome.
See it? It says, look, see
You
this
can
one?
go level 4.
Black.
Move it back.
It's black. Look, it's
There you go.
black. Down here it says fast fish.
Okay.
It says
You
fast
can
fish.
go
The name is
down
fast fish.
if you want to.
Fast fish.
But
Wow.
you can go to level 3.
This is level 2, and then go.
Oh, okay.
And this is my mom.
Ooh.
Hi, mommy.
Come here.
Hello.
Wow. Super
That's
spin
nice.
dealership.
Which one is new? That's nice.
Yeah, that's a double booster.
My own is
This
this.
is my mom. Hi, mommy.
Cool. What level did you do?
Level 2. Level 2 is you can go down here into this, and then you can slide back out.
Level 3. You can go level 3.
So it looked like it's a jam though.
What's the
So is
name?
that supposed to be like that?
What?
You can
The
go
jam is a lot of
level
cars up top.
Yeah.
1.
And then you can put cars up here too. So the cars can
So what's the
spin.
next level of this? You can build tracks on it. It's like a highway and stuff.
Like this,
Put a
see?
track here.
The tracks, it's like highway,
track
looks like a
is here.
road. Looks like a road right there. And something goes underneath here. I
Look
see
at
it.
this
like
one.
a passage or a tunnel.
Look at this, boys and girls.
Oh wow, that's like an old school flame car. Not the same, but that's flame. He's trying to get some more parts. He's trying to get some more accessories.
Tracks to go with it.
Yeah, that's awesome. So yeah, it looks like a traffic jam there. And we got a jerry
I
rigger.
got the tracks.
Oh wow, cool. So we got jumpers and spinners and all kinds of stuff. So I assume that we're finished with these all cars over here.
Hey, boys
Here.
and girls. Watch.
Dinosaurs all over
So
the
the
place.
cars. See the car? If you put on level 1, level 1 can just do the tracks. See?
Oh, that's awesome. Do that again. I missed that. It was so fast.
See this car?
That was your new one. So is that like track
Oh,
compatible?
that's the new one?
Yeah.
So it doesn't say
It just,
track
it
compatible.
just spin like, and just spin and just.
Yeah, I saw that, but it
It
came out.
says Power Rocket.
But let me see yours,
one?
Grace. Yeah,
What's Grace?
Grace is not power.
What's
his is
G?
not. Most of them say
This
best
is
for
G.
track. Let's see how fast his can go.
That says it.
Go ahead, Grace. No, let Grace do it.
Okay, do it.
Whoa, let's do it again. It was so fast, it was lightning grease speed. Whoa! Can you believe it?
It says
boys
it's
and girls?
fast on track.
Oh, and there you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa! guys got a line. We pick all the fast cars and all the small cars. Move over, big cars. Move over, trucks. Move over, monster trucks. The fast. It's time for the fast. It's need for speed. Yeah,
Hey,
baby.
Golden Dress, when we do that, I can see it.
Wait.
I can't see it. It's so fast. What we setting up?
Watch
We
this.
setting up an even dangerous
What?
track. Are you
Jumper.
kidding me? This can't be. Whoa! This can't be done. How can you do that? Whoa! Good job.
If you jump in if you jump in here, and then if you want to go out,
Oh, that's good. Reverse it. Yeah. I like that. Well, we're going to continue to play here, boys and girls. Thanks for joining us here at Jay's Andrews Toy Box. We got a lot of tracks to connect. We got a lot of cars to put back and clean up. A lot of dinosaurs. Whoa! Oh, so you on level 2? Good job with playing together. We like that. And join us next time as we extend and build our track and super spin dealership. And we're gonna get all the cars. We're gonna get some more cars. Let's wait and see. Join us next time. Like and subscribe. Oh yeah. Wait and see what we got next coming. Our next car to take out the package. Our Hot Wheel reveal.
city.
Our Hot Wheel reveal. Have a good day.
Have a good day, everybody.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.